Welcome to my D3 TV.
Hi friends, I'm Deekshith and this is my brother dakshith. Today we are going to do science experiment with salt, thread, and ice cubes. Now I'm going to try to attach the string to the ice cube. It's not working. It's not working. It's so slippery. Maybe I should add little salt. Let's get the thread like this, like that. Now I kept the string to the ice cube, and now I'm going to add little salt. Okay, I add some salt. Now you need to wait for 1 minute, and I think the string will attach to the cube. Okay, now let's see. Very slow. Oh, it's working! Oh my gosh! Friends! Whoa! Dakshith, now take this slowly. Oh, mine came out. Oh, Dakshith is working. Oh my gosh! Oh, like it. Oh. What? Dakshith. Now I'll take it. And the ice is starting to melt very fast. One came out. Okay friends, the science experiment worked. You can also do this in your home. For what you need is ice cube, salt, and any types of thread. Now let's try with the cloth and with this ice cube. This is big. Okay, now let's add some salt. The top. Let's spread it everywhere like this. Now let's put the cloth on the top. Okay, let's flip it and roll. Okay, now you need to wait for 1 minute. And we are going to take it out and see. Is it working? Let me keep. Now let's open and see very slow. Now let's open it very slowly. The ice cube. Oh, it broke! Oh my gosh! Friends, look! It's sticking. This is science experiment worked. It's not coming. Whoa! The ice cube is very strong and it's sticking very hard. We enjoyed making the science experiment. You can also try this at home. It's very easy. Bye. See you in the next science experiment video. Bye.